As you can tell by the right end rear bumper's already been ripped clean off the car. Don't muck around. Here we give this thing an absolute flogging. Slow the second gear. Slow in the second gear, just give it a run full power. Whoops, he's back down, didn't like first, back in the first. Trying to find second. Just giving those tyres a toasting. Up in the second now. He's a huge German knob jockey. He can work at the clutch hard as you like. Look at the smoke coming over there in the car now. There he goes. Left hand down, burnout and medication. Aim for him. Get the right hand down. Just hold it flat. Second gear still spinning hard and the right hand tire just deflating again. Hold it in, that's plenty of slow, that's plenty of pressure. That's a lovely spin up. Oh, smacked another gear, and around we go. Oh, disintegrating the tire this time round. There goes one. Lots of work done, there's still another one to go. Can he catch it? No, he can't. He's deflated the other one. There he goes, gentlemen. Short but sweet again. Pagey in the Commodore. Lovely work. Lovely work. Working.